How to recover your disabled Facebook account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover your disabled Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is you simply can't log in since your account is disabled. So you will need to open up your Safari or any other web browser. Then simply search for your Facebook's Help Center. So search for Facebook Help Center. And after you do that, you'll find Help Center for Facebook. Open that up. And after you open that up, you'll find these options. What you can do is head over to Account Settings. Now, what you can do is there you'll find a lot of different options. So you'll need to choose any one here. So I'll just head back for once. Let me go back. And there should be other options as well. So let's just directly search for disabled account. After you search for that, you will find your disabled accounts, many different options. So head over to this recovery option. And after you do that, here you will see my account is suspended or disabled. Tap on it. And now you can start an appeal. As it says right here, you can appeal for suspension or, every other thing. So to appeal, you'll see login into your Facebook. You'll have to log in into your Facebook and you'll be prompted to appeal the suspension within 180 days. So you will be on the appeal page. All you have to do is go through that and simply appeal for your account. And that's the only way you can recover your past, account. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.